Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Puritymike. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're listening to about welcome back. So we're going to be having a haul from Aliexpress. I have a couple things laid down already, so we're just going to dive straight into the video. Although I'm thinking that I'm going to combine the videos together because these are not all the things that I ordered from Aliexpress. Some of them are going to come later. So when they do, I will just join the video together and then make it one. I got this from the Aliexpress 11/11 promo. So I'm going to be linking them in the description. Where I got them from, I will link that in the description. I think I have my code. If I do, I will link that as well. If I don't, I'll just leave the link of where I got it in the description. So the first thing here is this lashes. So I got 3 pairs of them. I got 2 pairs for my boss and then 1 for myself. Okay, and I noticed that these 2 pair I ordered from her, I ordered for her, came with the free gifts. Came with these free gifts. Well, mine did not because I ordered them separately. So hers came with free gifts and mine did not, but I ordered it in the same page, from the same page. So it's one link for all of them. I just do not know why hers came with a free gift. Lucky boss, right? This is how it is. It is super soft, and then it has the natural style. This is natural style. This is medium dense, and this is thick. Actually, very beautiful. Then I also have this pair of lashes as well. I got these ones for myself, but this came in a set. This came with a bond and a seal. It came with a spoolie and then lash remover, and also see, I have my free gift as well. It's not a free gift, sha. It came together, but this is how I got this one. So it's like a complete set, your lashes and then your lashes equipment here also. So I noticed this is a bit thicker. This is 9mm to 16mm, same with the one that I just dropped, but I think it has like a more thicker lashes. So these are the individual cluster lashes. Link is going to be in the description. So I have this gold chain watch, but this is not a stainless steel watch, and it was a mistake on my side. I felt it was, but when it came, I just noticed that the gold chain looks a bit different. This is not how stainless steel gold chains look like. So I went to check the description. I think the description of the specification, and I noticed that it is actually not stainless steel. My bad, and I really do not know why I got this wristwatch. It is not stainless steel. I understand that this will not last as much. I got another wristwatch here, and that one is stainless steel, and it's just like 2,000 naira difference. So why did I get this one? I don't know. I have no idea why. It's just there. I don't know if it's because of it was that beautiful. Because it's just there. It's not something extra. I should have just gotten a stainless steel watch, and I pray that this one lasts extra. But I'm going to be linking that also in the description, as you already know. So next we have another lashes, guys. You already know I'm a lashes girl, because what are all these lashes here for? Although this one I got to my client, I tried to just get some from Aliexpress. It wasn't so cheap compared to before. I think because of the dollar rate right now. I don't know how much I got this. I think just check the link in the description to know exactly how much I got them. But I got them from one link or one vendor. Okay, so just check to know how much. I got like different lengths and then different volume, but they are all beautiful. So 4 pair of this. So next I have this press-on nail that I ordered as well. I don't think I've ever done like a proper black nail, so I think I should just get this press-on black nails, and I'm going to try them on real. So it looks pretty, and it looks like something that you can do on your own. You don't really need anybody to do it for you. But if you have someone that's offering you help, why not? So I also got this silver earrings, since I don't really have silver earrings, and the second watch I got was silver, so I decided to just get a silver earring. So when I'm doing silver watch, I'm going to pair them with a silver earring, so it will be like a matchy thingy. So I got this as well. It has 3 pairs, 3 very beautiful pairs. I have this set for gold. So when I just saw the silver, I'm like, why not? Then we have our silver watch here. And I think this came with an extra battery. I don't think this is the battery for the watch itself. It should be an extra for the watch, because I believe there is a battery in here already. And this one is a stainless steel watch, and I think they have gold, they have silver as well, and it's actually very, very beautiful. Don't know if you guys can see this properly. It's very, very beautiful. I think I'm going to have to reduce the size of this. Yeah, I would have to reduce the size of it. It's quite big. The next thing we have here is this face shaving razor that I got. I've never tried this on my face, but I've seen a lot of girlies using it, so I thought I should just get some of this. I wanted to get the black color, but I noticed that it was sold out, so I thought I should just get this as well, since it was also sales. I'm really excited for this one. I finally laid my hands on the influencers lights, finally, and I got this photographic full light. That was written here. The link is also going to be on the page. It's saying 2,500K to 9,000 and 9,000K, and I got the 3,000 mAh. Yay! Mm, 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 mm. Let's try this. So I'm going to just turn all of this off. Let me turn the light off as well. Let's see what we have just with this. Is this the highest? Okay. Okay, this is the highest. This is the highest. What do you guys think? And I think he also has it has like different colors, right? But I'm always a white light girly when it comes to artificial light. So, yay. I'm super, super excited for this. This is the only light I'm using right now. There is no other lights, but just this one. So, lights came with some accessories like this pin. I think I'm going to figure out all of that later. This clip, I think this is what I'm supposed to use to clip to my phone, and then a cord to charge. For the last item we have here, I got this lashes too. I got two of these, but one is not here yet. I think I got one for my boss and one for myself. So these lashes is what I use to fix my individual cluster lashes with my bond. I just mix the both of them together to achieve what I want. So this is typically what I have for now. Until next time, not until next time, until the next slide, because I'm very sure very soon other things are going to come. So until then, I got this Bluetooth from Aliexpress as well. It's not perfect, but it's okay. And you can make calls and it's still good, but it's not too expensive as well. And then I got a pouch. So this is an iPhone 13 Pro Max pouch. I'm speaking into existence, and I decided to just get the pouch and wait for the phone, right? So yeah. This is the homepage of my phone. My AliExpress app is here already. If you do not have the app already, you can go to your Apple Store to download, or to your Play Store to download. So you're going to go to the AliExpress app. So if this is your first time here, you are going to have the account icon here, and it's going to be blank. Okay, just the way my own is registered here and every other thing I have here, yours is not going to be like that. Okay, so now you're going to go to the settings area by the right hand corner, and you're going to click on that. So once you do that, you're going to, if you are in Nigeria, you can change the currency to Naira. Okay, so you'll be able to see everything you are buying in Naira. Instead of you to see them in dollars and then try to convert, you're just going to see everything in Naira. Okay, then you just probably try to arrange or set your profile. Okay, so ship to, mine is already shipped to Nigeria. Anywhere you are in the world, you just put it in the icon or in the place for ship to. Okay, then you go to your shipping address. I'm literally just trying to pinpoint those places that are important to you when you're trying to make an order. Go to your shipping address, and then this is where you're going to do the main thing. Okay, so if this is your first time here, mine has two addresses already. When I was in school, I have an address there, and when I came back to Abuja, I also have an address. That is why I have two addresses. Okay, so yours will be plain if this is your first time. Then you should click on edit. Let me just edit the one from my school so we can just do this together. So the first thing you're going to see is your country or region. I'm in Nigeria, so when Nigeria is placed here already, the contact address, you put in your name, and then the next thing to put in your phone number. The next thing to do is the shipping address proper. First box over here, this is where you're going to put your direct address. Let's say you're staying in number 4 Daniel Street, Abuja. You're going to put number 4 Daniel Street, Abuja. If you also have the PMO box or anything, you can basically just put like everything on the first box. Okay, now the second box is optional. Okay, your suite, your apartment unit, it is optional and there is nothing there for me. Now the third one you're going to add is your state. Okay, when you click that, you're going to see the option for your state. The next one here is your local government of the location you are in. Okay, so you're going to add in the local government. Last thing you're going to add is your postal code or your zip code. Okay, now this is the, if I want to say, this is going to be like the most important thing you need here, because from your postal code or your zip code, this is where your order is going to be shipped to. Okay, and most times Aliexpress deliver via post office, or they can deliver, I think the other one they started delivering to me lately is I think SpeedX, something like that. I'm not so sure of the name. So your postal code, your zip code is really important. So just make sure that this is right. Make sure you get this one right. Okay, now you can probably check on Google to get the correct postal code of the area you are in. If you also know the post office you are staying, you can just go directly to the post office to ask them of their postal code or their zip code. Okay, so you could just search on Google for the for the zip code or the postal code of your area and you will get it, or you go to the post office like I said and get the postal code. Or if you know any other way you can get your postal code, just do that. Just make sure that it is correct. Okay, so when you're done, you will save. Now once we are done with the shipping address and you want to make an order, so you just come and you click on something. What are we going to click on here? That's what we're going to click on here. Okay, so let's just click on this. Now you click on this and you add to cart. Okay, you can probably just buy directly. I advise you just add to cart. You add to cart, you select everything you want to select. Okay, and with time you just get used to the app and all. Then you continue, you go to shopping cart by your right hand side. Okay, so you click on that. Now when you click on that, you're going to get everything on your cart list. Now it depends if you want to get everything at once. You just keep clicking. If you do not want to get everything at once, you just probably click what you want. Now you can see on the checkout, you can see everything that is here. In dollars, everything is about $33.66, and in naira it's about 14,000 naira plus. Okay, so you check out, and once you check out, you would see the shipping address of where you want to be shipped to and every other thing here. Now if this is your first time of ordering also, they're going to ask you to put in your card details. Okay, now if you are using in Nigeria naira, from what I have heard lately, you cannot order things more than $20 in a month. That is really small. Right now, sometimes you want to order and you're not even able to order, even if you've not gotten anything up to $20. So if you're having issues with your naira card, you should probably try to get a dollar debit card. Open a domiciliary account and get your dollar debit card. With that card, you'll be able to order as much as you want. Okay, so when you're done with that, you just click on pay now, and that is going to be that. Once you're done with that, you're going to see what you ordered from your account. Okay, you go to account, then the first one you're going to see here is your unpaid order, to be shipped, and to be reviewed. Okay, now if you just place an order, you're going to see them to be shipped. After some hours or probably after a day or so, it's going to come to the next icon, which is the shipped icon, and then you'll be able to just track in your orders and everything that is coming in for you. Okay, so I have a couple of things I ordered. Yeah, that is that. Now with time, okay, I really cannot start telling you everything in detail about Aliexpress, but this should be the main thing, or like the things you should know when you want to place an order. Now with time, you probably get used to the app and explore as much as you can. Okay,